open lang. So, let's go inside. Give me, sir. Sir, give me.
Sorry.
We go down or... Ah. But we go down, sir?
Better go down.
Give me, sir, because I push and I will hold. I push. Hey, Chidi. So, wala pang laman yung ano natin, mga langga. Okay, maghanap muna tayo sa ating kailangan. Kailangan bibilhin. Sorry. May ubo-ubo lang ang lola. Wala talagang ano dito. Ay, ang cute ng kangkong. Ang cute ng kangkong, guys. Eh. Cute naman ito. Ayun, may pichay. Aray ko, pichay. Ba't hindi maganda yung pichay? Ay, kawawa naman yung pichay. Pichay. So, ayan. Pili tayo ng pichay. Tapos, yung kangkong naman nila, ang cute. Ang cute ng kangkong dito. Sira-sira. Kinain na ng uod. So, ayan yung sir. Ada siya na?
Small?
No. Enough, sir. Enough. Ada 12 pieces, ah?
12 pieces.
Eh, okay. Best. Enough. And what you need more? What you need more? I want pusa. I will take from here?
Yeah, sure.
Pusa. At bibili tayo ng corn para may mailaga tayo na corn, guys. Mura lang man guro to. Hindi ko makita yung price. Hindi ko maintindihan. Pasensya na. At ano ba itong mga nandito? So, kailangan nating magbili ng squash para makapagsabaw. Ayan, may mga nabili na tayo, guys. Saan na ba yung sir? Ayan si sir. Sir, what is that? Sambusa?
Sambusa.
How many pieces you buy had a vegetable roll? 4. You try it because that is vegetable. Okay? And then orange? Where it is the orange? Yeah, I will put there. Okay? This is what is this? Rambutan. Mangustin. Mangustin. You don't want to try?
I don't know this.
Mangustin, it's fruit.
I eat anything I know, you know.
Hindi mo mapilit si sir. Gusto lang niyang bumili doon sa kilala niyang fruits. Ayaw niyang bumili. Para na lang sa amin, sir. Papaya, guys. Papaya. Aroy, malaglag. Sa kaka-video ko, malaglag siya. Tabang Lord. Guys. Na ano naman to? Malapit ng masera. So, kung bibilhin ko siya, Bukas, ano na siya? Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Sama na guys. Ay, daming mango oh.
Staff nurses facing the
Oranges?
supervisor, please proceed to customer service immediately. Any cleaning supervisor to customer service.
There, sir. Buy ko na lang tong isa. Makita mo yung mga halos paninda dito is from India. Lalo na ang mga fruits. From India and from Sri Lanka and hala, rosemary pears. What's that? Sana kaya yung sir na? Sir, where are you? Where are you, sir? Where are you? Where are you, baba? Where are you na, baba? Dinar. Oh my God! Grabe naman yung kilo ng avocado. 3 dinar, 695. Oh no! Nawala yung amo natin. Baba, where are you? Where are you, baba? Saan naman yun si baba eh? Baba, baba. Ayun, si baba. I found you. Naghanap siya ng oranges. 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 Ayan, akanda. At saka oranges. Oranges. I will be here for you. Dami ditong mga fruits guys eh. Mga nilagang ano. Gusto nimong magulay-gulay nandito. Tsaka any kinds of juices. Ayan oh, marami. So, yun eh. Dami kong naganap. So, we are looking the toast here. Yeah, this one. And for tomorrow, we will take croissant here. Croissant? No, for tomorrow morning. We change. Yalla. La, nak. Indomie. Oh. Hindi ko makita talaga yung brown. And I always love you. And dito tayo guys, magkuha ng croissant. Plain with chocolate. You want this? Free chocolate. Suwaya. Only one. You want plain or shino? Yeah, you want the. How many pieces? 4? Yeah, 4. No, for you and madam. For us, no problem. But I am thinking. Oh, okay, yeah, that one. 4 pieces add. Yeah, kalas. Bas. No need. I want to check the Indomie.
Dear valued customers, YOYO Hypermarket brings you sunshine savings. Enjoy 10%
We have
off
here
on Villasan
Kambuza.
and Banana Boat Sun Protection Product.
Okay. Yan, magulo talaga. Magulo. Kasi pupunta tayo doon sa baba. Kuha tayo ng marmar. So, sasakay na naman tayo dito. Katamaran to guys, katamaran. Hindi ka pwedeng tumakbo. Joke lang, may dala kasi. Kaya sakay-sakay lang tayo dito sa hagdanan na tumatakbo. Diba? Mga plants dito, marami.
We haven't 2 minutes at home.
No.
Take picture to send